Okay, welcome back to this episode. We're basically just going to be setting up the environment in which we run everything and play the Atari game. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to start. So first we're going to create a file called test1.python. We're going to import gym, OpenAI gym, same thing, and we're going to create environment. And basically this is the emulator which runs the game that we decide. So here you can type in anything, and if it's on the website that was in the first video, it will run. So in this case we're going to do video pinball v0. Okay, and now I'm just going to do this and I'll explain it in a little bit. It's just going to be environment.action space, yeah, just that. Okay, now I'm gonna run the file. Skip it a little, this computer's kind of slow. Python test .py. Okay, now while it's running, basically what this function will do is it's going to input all of the possible inputs that can be inputted into the game. So for example, if you just have a really simple game that has two buttons, A or B, then there's just going to be a discrete 2. So this game has 9 inputs. So that means there's 9 different input variables that are going to be inputted into the model. So now to actually see what it looks like, we can do this. So frame equals environment.reset, and then environment.render. So basically what's going to happen is this is just going to reset the state of the game. Oops, this is going to reset the state of the game, and it's going to actually render it so in like a UI, in a new window, so you can actually see. So then we're just going to make a variable called isDone or done. Now, is done equals false. So then while not is done, frame reward is done, which is our done variable, and this, which is info, which we don't need, environment.step, environment.action space sample. So what this is going to do is just going to create a random action space. So out of one of these 9 actions right here in the terminal, it is just going to create 9. So then we're going to render that, and there we go. Now this should run. Just give it a little. Yep, there we go. And it's just going to run all the way through until the game is done. So this basically just gives you the general gist of what it looks like. So yeah, that's about it for this video. In the next video, we're going to go into actually creating the neat algorithm using the libraries and all that stuff. That video is probably going to be the longest video and the most in-depth. So yeah, see you guys later.